Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 15 is set to be unveiled in September 2023, building upon the success of the iPhone 14 line. Speculations and leaks about the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max have been circulating since the launch of the iPhone 14, revealing potential specs, pricing, and availability details. While rumors of an iPhone 15 Ultra replacing the Pro Max version have been dismissed, there are expectations of an iPhone 15 Plus joining the lineup, making it a total of 4 devices. Apple is taking action against apps using fingerprinting to track users, requiring developers to explain API usage from iOS 17 onwards. Apps without valid reasons will be rejected in spring 2024. Fingerprinting collects device data to create a unique identifier. Apple aims to protect user privacy and ensure data consent, building on previous tracking permission efforts. Some developers worry about increased app rejections, but accountability measures are in place. Overall, Apple prioritizes user privacy and seeks to limit unauthorized tracking on devices and Safari browser. Reddit is currently testing official labels as its version of verification badges for select organizations on the platform. The label, appearing next to usernames, identifies authentic brand accounts, but it does not offer any special privileges or endorsements. This testing phase may or may not expand to cover more than just businesses. Unlike platforms like Instagram, which allow users to pay for verification badges, Reddit is manually verifying brands for now. The company has faced challenges due to changes in API rules, leading to subreddit closures and restrictions to protest the changes, affecting Reddit's monetization efforts. Google is rolling out anti-stalking measures on Android devices to combat digital stalking. The measures include unknown tracker alerts, which notify users if an unfamiliar Bluetooth tracker is with them. Users can tap on the alert to learn more about the tracker's journey, view its serial number, and access the device owner's information. Additionally, users can manually scan for nearby trackers. Google's partnership with Apple aims to address concerns about unwanted tracker stalking and develop an industry standard for third-party trackers. However, these measures may reduce the effectiveness of tracking stolen items on a map, but prioritizing user safety and privacy remains the primary focus for Google and Apple. The European Commission opened an antitrust investigation into Microsoft's bundling of its Teams app with its Office suite, which includes Word, Excel, and Outlook. The EU is concerned that this practice may be in breach of the bloc's competition rules. The investigation was prompted by a complaint filed in 2020 by Slack. The rival workplace messaging platform alleged that Microsoft had illegally tied Teams to its Office tools and was abusing its market dominance to extinguish competition, in violation of EU laws. Following analysis of the complaint, the Commission has now concluded that the bundling may indeed constitute an anti-competitive practice. According to a recent Reuters report, Tesla intentionally exaggerated the distance its vehicles could travel on a full battery charge, and this directive was allegedly given by CEO Elon Musk. Over a decade ago, Tesla designed an algorithm to provide drivers with an overly optimistic estimation of their vehicle's range before needing a recharge. However, once the battery reached 50%, the estimates would become more accurate. The motive behind this decision, as per an anonymous source, was to display impressive range numbers when the battery was fully charged. Moreover, drivers were granted an additional 15-mile buffer after the dashboard displayed the battery as being at 0%.